at a regional airport right now. Oh, look, a Cessna. And then here is Alaska Embraer 175. Cessna! So, yeah. And then we have a Delta Embraer 175 landing. Nice. I found the Delta that landed. Whoa, it's very loud. I don't know if any more are approaching, but... Oh, here it comes. Closer. This is the closest I can get. Here it is. It's very loud out here. Yeah. I love plate spotting. FlexJet just landed. It's pretty cool. And we have another Alaska Embraer coming in. Nice. There's the Alaska Embraer 175 coming in. Can it Badudder? Can't bro Badudder? Oh, here we go. Here we go. 100, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10, butter, ba, 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 butter, ba, ba, ba. There it is. Oh my God. Here it is, guys. Here it is. Oh, it's coming. Whoa. What the heck is that? Wow. Okay, what is that sound? Oh, it's so loud. Wow. Closest I can get without like being no-no. Here it comes. Here it comes. Whoa. I love plane spotting. It's so fun. I never get to do. Oh, it's coming. It's coming. So, oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my. Alaska that was parked, guys. Here it is. It's taking off. Well, that was pushing back, so this might be a little bit. So, we'll wait a bit. But yeah. Guys, there it is. Here it is. Taking off. Taking off. Taking off. Taking off. I wonder what the ATC 670 plane spotting. Whatever. But oh my God. Ah! All these flights are all leaving to Seattle. Like, here it comes. Here it is. Oh, it's going speed. Speed, speed. Moving down the runway. Moving down the runway. Oh, it's going speed. It's so fast. Oh. We don't want to miss the V1. Rotate. V2, increase, climb. 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 Whoa!